In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the navigation bar in WordPress using Elementor. Whether you're setting up a brand new website or you just want to give your existing site a fresh look, customizing your navigation bar can make a world of difference in user experience and visual appeal. Let's dive right in and explore how to do this efficiently using Elementor, one of the most powerful page builders available. To start off, you'll need to have WordPress up and running, along with the Elementor plugin installed and activated. If you haven't done this yet, make sure you do before proceeding. Once that's ready, log into your WordPress dashboard. This will be your control center, where you can access and modify various website components. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pages section on the left side of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all the pages currently published on your website. Choose the page where you want to customize the navigation bar. If this page doesn't already exist, you can create a new one. Click Edit with Elementor to open up the Elementor interface. This tool offers an intuitive, drag-and-drop editor that allows you to see changes in real time. With Elementor open, look for the Navigator option in the bottom left corner of the editor panel. This feature is particularly helpful, as it displays your page structure and enables you to pick out existing navigation elements easily. Once you have the navigator up, you may need to perform a quick scan to locate your navigation bar within the page hierarchy. Click on it to select it. After selecting the navigation bar, you'll find a section on the left to make changes to its items and appearance. In this section, you'll see options to add, remove, or reorder menu items. Feel free to drag items up or down to set their order. If you need to add a new item, just click the Add Item button and enter the link and label for your new menu item. Removing items you no longer need is just as straightforward. Hover over the item and click the Remove option. Next, let's modify how your navigation bar looks. Switch to the Style tab to adjust typography, colors, and spacing. These options allow you to maintain a consistent brand aesthetic, matching the navigation bar to the rest of your site. As you make these changes, remember you can always preview them before saving to ensure they are aligning with your vision. Pay attention to the device view settings, located at the bottom of the page within Elementor. This allows you to optimize your navigation bar not just for desktop but for tablet and mobile views as well. All these tools come together to give you the ability to create a seamless navigation experience across all devices. Once you're satisfied with the look and function of your navigation bar, be sure to hit Update to save your changes. And there you have it, a completely customized navigation bar tailored to fit your site's unique needs. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with Elementor.